Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp record video note problem. Okay, let's go solve your problem. At first tap on settings, scroll down little bit. Now tap on apps and then tap on apps management. Tap on search here WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Now scroll down again. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. After tap on clear cache, go back one step. And then tap on permission manager. You can see many options. All options must be allowed. And go back your home screen. Now tap on Play Store application. Tap on search icon. Write here WhatsApp. And then tap on WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp application if it is available. My WhatsApp application already updated. After update your WhatsApp application and reboot your phone. After reboot your phone and open your WhatsApp account. Tap on the friend you want to record the video with. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.